Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your smartwatch or fitness tracker to the Veryfit app on your Android phone. First, download and install the app, so go to Play Store and type Veryfit in the search box. Then tap on it. Then tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed. Once installed, open the app. Create an account if you don't have one. I don't want to create an account, so I will select Start to Use. Tick the box next to User Agreement Privacy Policy, then tap I agree. Now select your device type. I have a fitness tracker, so I will select Watch Bracelet. Now allow the app to access your device's location. Then allow the app to determine the relative position of nearby devices. Now your watch or fitness tracker will be detected. In my case, it's band 8. Tap on it to start pairing. It will take a few seconds for the pairing to complete. To make the connection between the device and app more stable, you will need to allow the app to have unrestricted battery usage. So tap on Set, then tap on App Battery Usage, and select Unrestricted. Now go back twice. Then tap Done. Now select your country, gender, birth date, height, and weight, then tap Next Step. You can register for an account if you don't have one. I don't want to register for an account, so I will agree on the user agreement and privacy policy. Then tap on Later. Tap Allow if you want the app to access your phone call logs. Tap Allow if you want the app to access your contacts. And tap Allow if you want the app to make and manage phone calls. Now tap on Turn On. Then turn on again to turn on system notifications. Now tap on Veryfit. Then Allow notification access. Then Allow. Now go back twice. Then tap Yes. Then Consent. All done. My watch or fitness tracker is now connected to the Veryfit app on my phone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.